I'm here at one of my favorite places in Rome, the Basilica of San Clemente, just a stone's throw away from the Colosseum, and perhaps the structure that best represents the extraordinary history of the Eternal City. The church that you walk into today dates back to around the year 1100, and it was built on top of an early Christian church that dates back all the way to the 4th century after Christ. And that 1600-year-old church was built on top of an ancient Roman villa and on top of an ancient Roman apartment house. And in fact, the amazing thing about San Clemente is that you can see all of these layers. So the next time you're in Rome, remember to visit the Basilica of San Clemente and to descend through centuries of time and layers of soil into the origins of this great eternal city. And don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here weekly in Italy.